Hey Braze users, are you struggling with segmenting customers based on specific timeframes? Time-based segmentation in Braze is crucial for targeting customers effectively, but it can be tricky. So in this video, we'll talk about the quirks and how to overcome them. Let's talk about yesterday, how to target a specific date. Now, this is a challenge since Braze doesn't have an equal to option for exact dates. So let's say you need to target customers based on any actions from yesterday. Now, this often would be because you need to engage with customers who recently interacted with your brand, enabling timely follow-ups, resolving any issues, or gathering that fresh feedback. So let's show you how to do it.
Let's find out how many customers opened your email yesterday. As mentioned before, Braze doesn't allow you to filter by an exact date, so we're going to use a workaround. Using the custom attribute open date, you're going to set one filter for more than 0 days ago, and the second filter for less than 2 days ago. This creates that narrow window, and in the results below, you can see how many customers opened your email yesterday.
As you begin to make your own calendar-based segments, you may notice that in Braze, seconds do matter. So let me explain to you how Braze handles these time units. When you enter time periods like 7, 14, or 21 days ago, you'll see that in Braze, it would automatically convert it into weeks. But don't worry, that's supposed to happen. This is because Braze calculates time in seconds behind the scenes. So there you have it, 2 key quirks of time-based segmentation in Braze. So let's talk about the benefits of mastering time in Braze. First, higher engagement rates. Target the right customers at the right time for more opens, clicks, and conversions. And second, more personalized user experiences. Tailor your content to specific behaviors, making customers feel understood and valued. And lastly, increase in campaign performance. Effective targeting leads to higher conversion rates and better ROI. So remember, practice makes perfect. The more you work with these time-based filters, the more intuitive they'll become. For more Braze tips like this, visit our website at covalentmarketing.com.